Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background in ibisPaint X. It's gonna be so simple. Like, I'll show you two ways. The first way is that by using filters option. Here it is, and once you click on filters you'll see the option AI, and under it you have this background removal option. If you click on it you'll be able to remove background in this kind of photos. I want to cut out this guy right here, so for that I can just click on the image. Like, I need to select the object. You can just select like this. Okay, and similarly if you want to subtract any part you can use the minus icon. You need to select that, and now you can just subtract that. And also according to your image you can adjust the threshold. Once you're happy with the selection you can just click on this tick icon, and you'll see that the background is successfully removed. For now let me just clear this, and if I click on layer you'll see that the background is successfully removed. Here you can see that easily. Now if you want to save this image, for that you need to click on this back button, then you'll see the option save image. Now select the file type, either PNG or JPEG. I'll save it as PNG. If you want this image to be transparent, then you need to make sure that this option should be turned on, the option transparent I'm talking about. Now you can just click on OK, and your image will gonna save on the folder which you'll choose here. I want to save this image on this folder, so I'll just select that and click on save, and our image is successfully saved on that folder. Let me show you. It is the folder, and this is our image. If you want to remove the background faster, in that case your image must have the plain background like this image have. So in that case we can remove the background easily. So for that you need to use this option magic wand. You can just click on that and just click on the background you want to remove, and yeah, you can see the whole background is successfully selected. If I click on this layer icon and show you whether they have selected it perfectly or not, I just need to click on this. You can see that they have selected the background perfectly. Now in order to remove the background we need to select our layer and just click on this icon right here, and you'll see that your background is successfully removed. So let me just deselect the selection. You can see that, and just by following the same process we're gonna save this image. So for that we need to click on this backward icon, click on save image, select the file type, make it transparent, and click on OK. I'll save this image on the same folder again. If I go to that folder you'll see this is our image whose background we have removed. And yeah guys, it's that simple to remove background in ibisPaint X. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.